Okay, good evening. We are today with Simran. Simran, what's your occupation?
I'm a student. I'm a law student.
Okay, great. What's your opinion about smart cities?
I believe that we do need smart cities because we have to move towards modernization by one way or another. It's a good way of moving towards modernization, but it should be balanced. As in, we should concentrate on being more smart and including IT in our daily use. But we should also keep connected with the fact that we have poor people living here and we have environmental issues that need to be dealt with. So there should be a balance on both the things, and that's my opinion.
Okay. Do you think that environment has been kept in the planning dictionary for the planning of Delhi?
They say that they've kept it, but I don't think so because Delhi is the most populated city and the pollution is really bad. And for me, like example, I have bronchitis, and after coming to Delhi, it has gotten worse. So I think that's a perfect example of the fact that the pollution is really bad in Delhi. So I believe that environment, they say that they've kept it as a factor while planning, but they haven't.
Okay. And do you think that instead of smart cities, the government should think about the villages, because so far we see that villages have been ignored, and that's why we have rural to urban migration, cities getting overstressed?
I believe we should concentrate on both, like 50-50, because we do want to move towards modernization and build smart cities, but we can't let go of our heritage, that is villages, and most people do live in villages, and I think we should take care of them too, but not basically concentrate on that, only on that.
And what do you think about the role of IT? Does IT has a very huge role as the government is showing us to be, or the IT has a very limited role? What's your opinion?
I think it has a very big role.
It has a very big role.
Yeah, it helps with innovation, and I believe that we'll only move towards modernization if we have IT by our side. Isn't that the basic goal, development?
And what do you think about the planning of Connaught Place?
I think it's beautifully planned, and they're also trying to instill more, like, they're trying to make it more developed and attract more people to it by putting Wi-Fi zones, and they planned it really well. They put specific place for shops, and I think they planned it really well. Also, there's a park there.
Okay, thanks a lot for your opinion.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.